Imagine if you could turn ChatGPT into a marketing guru. It could identify target audiences, develop foolproof marketing strategies, and even give you ad ideas, all with one powerful prompt. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use this cutting-edge tool to do exactly that. And trust me, this is going to change the way you think about marketing forever. Stick around until the end because I'll also reveal a trick to make your ads stand out in a crowded market. Now, before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, or drop a comment if you're excited to use AI in your marketing strategies. Now, in a previous video, I already went through how I use a specific framework to create these prompts. In this one, we're going to follow the exact same framework. So let's jump right into marketing with ChatGPT. So the first thing to understand is what is marketing. And that's really having a product and putting it in front of an audience. The other important part is having ads to run. So we're going to create a prompt that does exactly that. So with a simple product description and running this prompt, we're going to get our marketing material, strategy, and ads automatically. Let's jump in. So this is the prompt that I created to do all of my marketing and ad ideas for me, taking in a product description. So I asked ChatGPT to act as a highly experienced marketer and copywriter with a lot of experience creating highly converting sales ads. Next, I give it a step-by-step process that I want it to conduct as its task. So first, it needs to conduct extensive research on the product and its competitors. Next, fully identify the ideal target market for the product and try to understand in detail their pain points and desires and where they spend money. Finally, from its knowledge, I ask it to create a highly detailed set of ad ideas for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Google Ads, including hook lines and visual descriptions. And finally, describe the best way to reach that target audience. So this really covers all of the bases. Next, I have the product description, letting them know exactly what the product is, and here is where you enter in your examples. Finally, I found a bunch of really good hooks from other ad campaigns, and I copied them all in as examples for ChatGPT to learn from and take the structure from when giving the ad ideas. And I just got this list by manually scraping a few websites for good hooks. Now let's see this prompt in action. I put in a product description for a course that helps you monetize YouTube, and that's in the link. This is the YouTube course by Matt Parr, the one that I took, and I think it's a great course and I'm happy to promote it. So you can see here that first it's done a competitor analysis, and it's actually found that exact course as the top competitor. So it's doing the research correctly. Next, it's showing me the target market analysis and the best people to market towards for this kind of course, along with demographics and psychographics, specifically things like pain points of my ideal consumer. So all of this is actually included in the return from this prompt. You can see I have pain points here, desires, and spending habits for my ideal audience, and you can see how powerful this can be in putting together a marketing strategy. Next and finally, it has the campaign ideas, specific ads that I could try to run for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Google Ads. And you can see here that each ad idea actually comes with a visual along with a hook line. And for Google Ads, which only allows text promotion, you can see that it is just a hook. So just like that, it's given me around 6 great ad ideas that I can experiment with across different platforms. Finally, I have my section 4, which is reaching the target audience. And here it breaks down marketing strategies for reaching the target audience for this course. And you can see that this part is a little basic, so I may want to adjust that slightly. But overall, it gives me strategy, the target audience breakdown, pain points, and ad ideas, all from one product description. Now, thanks for hanging in so far. Finally, I'm going to show you how we can boost our ads and make ads really easily just from what we've gotten from this prompt. So I'm actually going to grab that exact visual prompt and jump into Leonardo AI. And if I just copy and paste that into Leonardo AI, we can see that in just a matter of seconds, we actually get fully marketable ads that we can run directly along with the hook. And we can even modify this slightly to get things like cartoon effects. And you can see that this is already looking really good. And I could really just take one of these pictures and use it directly in my ad. So this is the marketing prompt, and I hope you learned a lot in this video. Like and subscribe if you want more like this.